Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you delete and uninstall apps on your iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining that they delete they want to delete their apps but they can't delete. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. Now from here guys, scroll it below and tap on here screen time. Now after that guys, what we need to do is just simply scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restriction. So guys, from here turn this toggle on, and after that tap on here iTunes and App Store purchases. From here guys, you can see here installing apps, deleting apps. So as you have to just simply tap on deleting apps, and from here guys turn this toggle allow. So guys, after turning this allow, your problem will be fixed, so you can be able to uninstall and delete app on your iPhone. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.